Pagod ka na ba sa paulit-ulit na cycle? Naghahanap ng paraan para umasenso? May bagong pag-asa. Kilalanin ang Quadbitverse. Kami ay isang online subscription platform na nilikha para tulungan kang maabot ang financial independence sa pamamagitan ng aming Quadbitverse ecosystem. Forex trading, cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, QV Forex Trading Academy, at maging coal mining. Lahat yan, abot kaya para sa'yo. Ano nga ba ang mga common na subscription-based models na karaniwan na ginagamit natin? Nandyan ang Netflix, kung saan makakanood ka ng mga palabas. Internet provider service like PLDT/Globe. Para sa mga students at professionals naman, Grammarly ang ginagamit. Insurance tulad ng St. Peter. Health-based subscription tulad ng PhilHealth. At iba pa. Sa ecosystem natin, pinakikinabangan natin ang Forex trading. Forex is the shorthand for foreign exchange, and also known as the global marketplace, where you can buy and sell currencies to potentially earn the difference. It has the largest financial market, averaging $5 trillion every day. Aside from that, we also delve on cryptocurrency, which is called the future of money. Did you know Elon Musk, which is the richest man as of the moment, and Donald Trump, ang kasalukuyang presidente ng US, heavily encourages at sinusuportahan ang lahat na gumamit ng cryptocurrency? This implies that cryptocurrency is not a scam, but a legitimate way of transaction at ginagamit sa buong mundo. May isa pang way kung kaya kumikita ang company at lumalaganap. Dahil ito sa affiliate marketing, where you can grow your network exponentially by sharing your referral link to other prospects at kumita through their respective subscription. 3 steps lang ang dapat tandaan. Subscribe, invite, then earn. May roadmap tayo para sa mga future projects natin. Una, magkakaroon tayo ng Forex Trading Academy kung saan pwede ka matuto mag-exchange ng currencies. Secondly, magkakaroon tayo ng utility token that will enable us to access products and services. Finally, magkakaroon tayo ng coal mining to make earning sustainable in the long run. Kilalanin ang co-founder ng Quadbitverse, Kuya Charlie G. Mario. Naging OFW siya for a decade. Expert in blockchain technology, master forex, and cryptocurrency trader, motivator, and life coach. Ang Quadbitverse platform, sobrang simple lang, pero ang laking opportunity para makasabit sa current wave ng decentralized finance, financial technology, at mga crypto. Dahil sa business model nila, limited lang to sa 10,000 accounts. Kaya may queuing system sila para sa mga slot. Ginawa nila tong system para sure na yung mga nakasubscribe sustained in the long run. Ang Quadbitverse platform, bukod sa simple, punong-puno rin ng benefits. Meticulously developed ito ng mga expert software engineers gamit ang high standard protocols. Kaya asahan mo ang matinding security na sinisiguradong protektado ang transaction data mo ng industry-leading servers, security protocols, at blockchain tech. Pag-usapan naman natin kung paano kumita. Get ready for amazing platform rewards. Using artificial intelligence, powered programs, and the latest financial tech, we will enhance your returns. Subscribe to our plans and enjoy 5 easy ways to earn. Daily rewards, 1% daily for 365 days. Fast start, bonus, 5 to 10%. Rank rewards, up to 15% daily. Rank incentives, gadgets, cars, house and lot, and global share, 2% performance-based. Ito na ang chance mo to become a millionaire. Pili na kayo ng subscription plan na bagay sa inyo. From $20 up to $30,000, lahat may 1% daily reward for 365 days. The higher your plan, the bigger your potential total rewards, up to times 5. Choose wisely, a brighter future awaits. Para clear sa lahat, narito ang ilan sa mga important policies. Ano ba ang mode of payment natin? USDT TRC20. Minimum subscription, $20 lang. Account activation is after 48 hours. Minimum withdrawal is $20. And pwede ka mag-withdraw daily. Payouts can be daily, semi-monthly, or quarterly. Make sure your account is KYC verified. May 10% withdrawal fee and one name, one account policy. Ang subscription rewards, good for 365 days. Let's follow the guidelines for a smooth experience. Nasa digital transformation age na tayo. Quadbitverse empowers you na magkaroon ng home-based business. Matuto through our online tools and course content, and connect via video conferencing. This is the modern way of learning and earning. This is your chance. Be the next millionaire. Choose your subscription plan wisely from $20 to $30,000. All with 1% daily rewards and potential total rewards up to ×5. Your journey to millions starts here. Finally, handa ka na ba mag-join? Napakadali lang. Step 1. Gumawa ng account gamit ang referral link ng sponsor mo. Step 2. Buksan mo yung email mo and immediately verify your new account. Step 3. Pay your desired subscription plan through USDT TRC20. Pero kung di ka techie, ask your upline or admin. Remember, don't reply to system-generated emails. For help, contact support. Always log in through the official Quadbitverse homepage.
Magpabook ka ng free strategy implementation call. Answer mo lang yung application form sa ibaba ng video na to. Me and my team can talk to you. Tingnan namin kung anong mga current assets and resources mo para makita namin kung paano ka namin matutulungan. Okay? So ngayon, ito na yung makukuha mo kapag nag-apply ka for the free 30 minutes one-on-one strategy session ngayong araw. Or right now, ito sa website na to. Ang value ng aming mentoring one-on-one strategy session call na to ay 15,000 pesos. Pero, we will give you this to you 100% free kapag nag-apply ka today. Aside from one-on-one strategy session call, we also give you these bonuses. Bonus number 1, sales video panel. Bonus number 2, limitless drive Facebook ads mastering course. And bonus number 3, limitless drive promotional template Facebook ads script. Lahat yan, mga bonus na yan ay makukuha mo yan if mag-attend ka ng aming exclusive free mentoring 30 minutes one-on-one strategy session call. Pero unahin na kita, hindi ito para sa lahat. Para ito sa willing mag-invest ng time, money, and effort. Para ito sa mga empleyado, gusto mong magkaroon ng online business doing part-time at least 1 to 2 hours a day after work at willing sundin ang mga turo namin sa iyo, para sa iyo to. O isa kang struggle ng network marketer, nasawa ng ma-reject ng mga prospect nila ng paulit-ulit at napapagod na mag-present ng 1 to 2 hours ng mano-mano at hindi pa mapasali yung prospect nila, para sa iyo to. Para to sa mga business owner kung gusto mong magkaroon ng another source of income na business at hindi mo alam paano ka magsisimula pero willing talagang matuto at willing gumawa ng action, para sa iyo to. Kung isa kang OFW, kung gusto mong mapaaga ang makapag-forgot para makasama ang pamilya, or gusto mong kumita ng extra para madalagan ang maipapadala sa mga mahal mo at willing kang gumawa ng action at matuto, para sa iyo to. Para to sa mga breadwinners at student na gusto magkaroon ng extra source of income para matulungan ang parents at family nila. Anyone na seryosong matuto at ready mag-take ng action, then this is for you. Please take note na kailangan mo again mag-invest ng time, money, and effort. Okay? Kahit anong klaseng business, meron kailangan i-invest. Kung hindi ka willing mag-invest na mga yan, do not book one-on-one strategy session with us dahil hindi ka rin ma-approve. Again, kung seryoso ka naman na willing mag-invest ng time, money, at effort, book a call in our team now. Take note, yung calendar namin puno palagi and we will only accept 15 to 20 na tao lang magpa-mentor sa amin this month. Depende yon sa capacity ng team namin. Hindi ko mapapromise na makakapag-accept ulit kami next month dahil baka full capacity na ang team namin. Click the button below to see if you still have an open slot today. Then follow these 3 easy steps instruction. Step number 1, choose a date and time. Step number 2, fill up the short survey form para malaman namin if kaya ka namin maturuan. Step number 3, book an appointment with us. Okay, so yun lang. Thank you so much for being here and finishing this video training. Tap or click the button below to see you 30 minutes one-on-one strategy session call.